Wow, you just hit that join button, which means you are thinking of crossing the bridge to become a HanDIYman 007 community member. You are in the right place. So if you're not sure what a member is, let me quickly explain. Being a member is a way to monetarily support the channel every month and also get some cool perks and rewards from me in return. Your monthly contributions go to helping me cover the costs to produce more quality videos, from research to filming to editing and all the other complicated stuff that happens behind the scenes. In return for your kind contributions, you will be rewarded. My way of saying thank you. Now, there are 3 different levels on which you can contribute, and they all come with different rewards. As a hobbyist, you will receive things like loyalty badges that will go next to your name when you comment on videos, live chats, or in community posts, so I can see you very clearly and make sure I answer you. And these color-coded badges auto-upgrade the longer you stay as a member. You also get early access to my latest videos at least 24 hours before the rest of the planet sees them. If you decide to go up a level and become a weekend warrior, not only do you get all the perks from the hobbyist tier, but you also get access to, wait for it, exclusive members-only videos. Yes, that's right, exclusive bonus content like behind-the-scenes footage, rough cuts, bloopers, controversial material, and more. Additional videos that no one else will ever get to see except for you. And finally, if you are a master builder and you really want to help more, then welcome to the inner circle. Because not only do you get all the perks from the hobbyist and weekend warrior tiers combined, but you also get featured in one of my videos and, more importantly, become a consultant in shaping the channel's future content and direction. Okay, so I hope this helped explain what membership is all about. There's a lot more than what I covered in this short video, and all information is down below along with the 3 different member tiers. Regardless of what you choose, it's a much appreciated way of you helping me and me saying thank you. This is HanDIYman 007. Have a great DIY day, and I'm so excited to see you on the other side of the bridge.